Hi, today I'm here for explaining probability, formulas of probability. You know, the ideas of probability is being used in the flight for reservation of flight. You know, how many numbers of passengers could be reserved in a flight. So the concept is very popular concept in this industrialized world. The probability also need to be counted, assumption, predictability. These are the subject. So probability is not meaningless, it has utility. You need to fill. And today, for your understanding, for your realization, the matter has been personified for your understanding. A basket has been imagined, you are watching, and balls are being collected from the three people, A person, B person, and C person you are watching. So balls, A balls from the A person, B balls, number of B balls from the B person, and number of C balls from the C person are supposed to be gathered in that basket. Okay? And supposed to be gathered. This is question of forthcoming matters. So this is probability. Okay? And as you know that A balls are being gathered from person A, so the probability of A balls which are supposed to be gathered in that basket should be expressed in a way you are watching, that is A upon N. A is the balls, number of balls of A person A, and N is the total number. This is first matter. Second matter, in the same way, the number of balls from the B person should be written B upon N, where N is the total number of the basket. Okay? And you know that balls are supposed to become, which are not already deposited, supposed to be, because probabilities, prediction, chances, the good word is chances, or forthcoming matters or future matters. So the balls from the person C should be written C upon N. This is the first formula. Second formula, please try to understand. Probability, there are three people, A people, B people, and C people. Please try to understand, if a probability from the same people, from the same person, if the balls are balls are supposed to be gathered in that basket, the expression should be written like this: AN into AN. But there is a question. Two matters you need to memorize. From the same person, that will be written in this way. But there is another criteria, the question of deposition and retrieving. If the balls are gathered and chances of retrieving, taken again, then the formula is this. But if only gathered, not taken, the formula not same. You are watching, the formula will be first A upon N, and second, in the second portion, into A minus 1, N minus 1. In the second portion, minus 1 will be subtracted from the upper on and down on. Please try to understand. If the same person, this is the formula, and this is the in case of retrieving, in case of replacement, and this is not replacement. So you need to memorize, you need to remind, replacing or not replacing, same person or different person. This is the formula of same person, and now the different person, mean A is one person, B is another person. Again the matter giving and taking, I mean replacing or not replacing. This is not replacing. First one is replacing and second are not replacing. From the different person, the formula A upon n, B upon n into 2. But if this is replaced, but if this is not replaced, the same matter has to be written, but only 1 will be subtracted from the downside. Again I am telling, these will be written, but only 1 minus will be subtracted from the downside. But you watch, in this formula, 1 was subtracted from the upside and downside. But in this case, only 1 minus 1 will be subtracted from the downside. Another matter, AND rules and OR rules. AND rules, the possibility of A and B, two person, simply you need to memorize the possibility or probability will be probability A into probability B. How? Because this is the laboratorical or research formula. These ideas has been found from a research that the probability of A and B mean two person and, but in mathematics you may not see the and. In mathematics the language might be together, synonym language. So this is the another formula, and formula, person A and B, two person and, that will be multiplied. And OR formula, I mean probability of A or B, the answer will be probability A plus B. So where there is a question of OR, the probability of person A and B will be added, and where there is a question of AND, the probability of A and B will be multiplied. And you need to memorize that if the same person and replaced, this is the formula. If the same person not replaced, this is the formula. If the different person replace, I mean replace means giving and taking, this is the formula. If the different person, AB different person you are watching, and not replace, this is the formula. Thank you.